Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know it sounds crazy, but it's like crazy. Anyway, today I want to do a makeup look inspired by Jimin. Like crazy, alright? So, let's get started. It's been a long time since I became an army, and Jimin was the first member whose outfit and voice was special and caught my attention immediately. I have to confess, I'm crazy about Like Crazy. It's my top song and my favorite too. No, Jimin is amazing. They are amazing. His voice is really powerful. Right, there is a line here. It has to be white silver. It's cute. I think I need a little bit glitter to make it more beautiful. This is my glitter. Alright, you see? My brush. Yeah. How was it? And a little bit mascara. You know, this makeup is really beautiful for Jimin, not me. But it's kind of good too. You know, he's amazing. They are amazing. I really can't stop talking about BTS. Now what should I do with my hair? Anyway, the makeup is, oh, the glitter is here. Should I do with that? Put it back here. No, this glitter is not mine. It's my sister. So, the makeup is done, and I have to go out with this crazy makeup like crazy. Anyway, I hope you really enjoy it. I know it's not something professional, but I enjoy it. So, if you really like it, please comment down below and don't forget to like and subscribe and follow me on Instagram. See you next time.